In this Mailchimp dashboard overview, we'll take a close look at how the Mailchimp dashboard works, how to navigate it effectively, and how you can start using it right away to improve your email marketing campaigns. Stay tuned because I'll also show you some hidden gems inside the Mailchimp dashboard that will make your experience a whole lot easier. You can start using Mailchimp for completely free through the first link in the description below. And don't miss out on our exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Let's dive in. First things first, the Mailchimp dashboard is super user-friendly. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your most important data. You'll see a snapshot of your recent campaigns, recent activity, and your overall account health. Next thing, if you look at the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation bar. Here's where you can easily access different sections like campaigns, audience, and reports. But what's really cool is how Mailchimp has organized everything to help you quickly move from one task to the next without feeling lost. You'll also notice how the dashboard adjusts depending on what you're working on, so everything feels customized to your needs. Moving on, let's talk about the Campaigns tab. When you click on this, you'll see all your active and past campaigns laid out in a neat, organized list. Here you can start a new campaign, check the performance of your emails, and even analyze open rates, click rates, and more. The ability to track all this information from the dashboard is super helpful for anyone serious about improving their email marketing strategy. Next thing you'll want to know is the audience section. This is where you manage your email lists and view detailed insights into your subscribers. You can segment your audience based on their behavior or other metrics, which will help you tailor your emails for better engagement. It's all about understanding who your audience is and sending them the right content. The fourth thing, let's discuss the reports section. This is where you can see detailed reports of your campaign performance, including metrics like open rates, click rates, and revenue generated. This part of the dashboard is perfect for anyone looking to get an in-depth look at how their campaigns are performing. And the best part? You can easily compare different campaigns and make data-driven decisions moving forward. Now, one of the most useful features of the Mailchimp dashboard is its automation tools. Under the Automations tab, you can set up automated emails that trigger based on customer actions, like signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. Automations save you a ton of time while making your email marketing more effective, which is a win-win. The last thing I want to touch on is the integration section. Mailchimp easily integrates with various third-party tools and platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and social media platforms. This makes it simple to sync your audience and streamline your marketing efforts across different channels. And before we wrap up, here's the best part. Using Mailchimp, you get access to an exclusive extended free trial when you sign up through the first link in the description below. You'll be able to explore all these features and more completely risk-free. Thanks for watching this Mailchimp dashboard overview. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial with our special bonuses by signing up through the link below.